All right, let's finish things off. Now, there's going to be questions like this in your Schoology practice test and your real test. They're one of my favorite types of questions. Now, how can you write point slope form given 2 points? What? Well, you got to make this. You got to go y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. Now, I believe the directions say you need to use this x1 and this y1. Okay, so I kind of already know what to do. My equation is going to be y minus 7 equals the slope, which I haven't found yet. I will. And then x minus x1. There you go. So positive 7 minus 7, positive 5 minus 5. There you go. I'm already halfway done. I think Schoology says, hey, use the first coordinate point. Okay, use the first coordinate point. So use 5 and 7 in your formula. Now I just got to find slope. That was one of the first math questions you ever did in Chapter 5. Finding the slope. I like to use my little loop-de-loop method. Find the change in y divided by the change in x. Going from 7 to a negative 2 is you lost 9. There's your change in y. Okay. And then going from 5 to 8, you gained 3. There you go. So negative 9 over 3 is a negative 3. There you go. There's my slope. Dropping in right here. Boom, I'm done. Super easy to do, students. Now, if by mistake you use the second coordinate point, guess what? It's the exact same stuff. Y plus 2 opposite y equals the same slope, it's the same line, x minus 8. There you go. So that one's not wrong, but if the directions say use the first coordinate points, x and y values, then just follow the directions. But both of these, if you go to Desmos and double check, I'm very, very sure both of these equations are going to map the same line. Okay, here we go. Super duper slow-mo. The other method, you can find the slope first if you want, and there's nothing wrong with that. Looks like you lose 7, and then you add 2. I'm going to have a slope of negative 7 halves x y equals, okay, x opposite y value, doing this super slow, and I'm done. That's it. Y opposite y value, slope, which I found, x opposite x coordinate, because the directions say use the first coordinate points. Okay, make sure you follow directions too. That's it. Find the slope, pick the points, put them into the right spot, and you will be successful. See you in class. Goodbye.